panel picker. My name is Jen Manley and I am a K-12 classroom educator. I have been teaching middle school computer science for the last 3.5 years, and I am moving into teaching high school and college computer science in the coming school year. And I'm submitting an idea to South by Southwest EDU panel picker because I have figured out how to solve one of the biggest challenges we face as educators every day in our classrooms. You know what it is? It's group work. So I am a non-traditional educator. I came into education after sampling several other careers. They call me a career changer, but really I was job hopping. And so when I came into teaching, one of the things that was really confusing to me was the way that we taught students to do group work. So the current way that we teach students to do group work is we put students in teams of 3 to 5. We assign every child a role, and because every child has a role, the project is supposed to get done. Well, the reality is that never actually happens, right? There's always at least one kid who does almost everything, and then there's one kid who does very little. And I would argue that that's actually not the fault of the kids, but more a flaw of the model itself. So my proposal for South by Southwest EDU is an hour-and-a-half long workshop on how to use Scrum in the classroom. Scrum is an agile methodology for project management that's used in software development and startups all over the world. And what Scrum does is it helps teams prioritize that which is most important so they can deliver the highest quality product in the shortest amount of time. I've been using Scrum in the classroom for the last 2.5 years. I discovered it by working with software developers and have since learned that Scrum is used in education all over the world. And so what I'd love to do is I'd love to host an hour-and-a-half long workshop where we go through the Scrum simulation that I use to introduce Scrum in my classroom, talk about some of the challenges and the pitfalls and of course the benefits, and then give educators tools so that they can introduce Scrum in their classroom, school, or district to empower our students to do meaningful work, to give kids the opportunity to do work that matters, work that they so deserve to be able to do, and to be able to do at a high level. I really appreciate you listening to my proposal and clicking through my slides and reading through my abstract, and I hope that you'll give me a chance to share how Scrum can empower our students to do meaningful work now at South by Southwest EDU next March in Austin. Thanks so much.